leading and an award-winning solicitors situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors
radio lawyer listeners in Nara say enenso maya yadomna moni abe eba be disa en komoini education mo be kan ye ho Facebook classroom led by your friend is saying Nana Jimai class prefect Nana Jimai anope michia baby biara wo me gini say why your exercise area no pay na be kan ye ho na etie for bomode no mo share program no na nkwa chichichichichi en share na nkwa chichichi mesra wo baswa say ye kan saying o contact list e wo phone so especially WhatsApp groups e wo phone so nyina wo hu say GN radio about with this program pe bomode na copy link no na share to all your contact list e wo phone so se na ebe ya obi nso be hu nia ekọ education we ehu hia ene de na e wo mamo ene ye wo nyoma bebre a ehia pa nyoma bebre hia pa eni se de bia semiti hana me ye adverta me keka se Bwf Solicitors omo expertise ne bi ade bi e friend say or the sample litigation and dispute resolution ne ade ebi ni landlord for ni tenant ho nsem ebi so see consumer credit ebi so contract now contract ne die bisame wo ne wo bakra mo contract wo no ma me kra wo contract de ewo ba bia contract ya de bia obroni shada pa no aye no nkete se ni awo kinkan a wo because odinioma bi atetetete wom na saa nyoma na omoti tetete wom no akwadworo nti dodo na ampa kinkan ye de ma na ye san here pe no wasan ochiranko na bebe wie no na afa na ope lawyer aka se na minim se saa na tie nti contract ewo hoi eye bibia se wote ase na ye ma contract be bia wo behwe finchim ansana wo de wo signature etintim so no waji atum say yo magisa contract atum this year ye hwe coronavirus e ba yi consumers chese wo ne me ya de bia ye the ends no ye the receiver ends no de bia ye na ekutia ye ebi wo have flights wa twa plane ticket ya cancel ebi wo ho a wa koji contract bi wo ba bi corona nti ya cancel wo so ya nka hwe chese make a contractor anything between two parties bia no na chese contract bi she ho wakoto bibi eye faulty wentumi amfa nko on time sesi ya se omo nje o sika no so a ahye saa nyoma no manyina ye be fa so ye be den kra na ye hu nyoma ewom nka no minim se we the example keke minim se first no ye ba kromu ha no ukoto atare no etete kra within 2 months utume de kokoju sika atare a wa show utume kokoju sika because wa guarantee say atare no ebedi afi ansa na atete nti edu 2 years 2 months na atete a utume de kose krachi company atare no ma hemum na nso osi 1 year na 2 months pe na atete nti ji mempe bi famsi kama me saa de nyina se wunnim a obeye ho de nti ene ye besua nyoma efa contract ho yɛbɛfa contract ho yɛnya yɛn papa lawyer Francis ɛwɔ ha na ɔne yɛn bɛkɔ nneɛma bebree meka contract it has no limit ɛwɔ nneɛma bebree nti na ɔbɛnya abotrɛ no akyerɛkyerɛ yɛn mu na afei deɛ wode wo questions a wowɔ na wode aba ɛbom sɛ yɛkyerɛ contract a whole lot of things about contract but then ɛmfa ho sɛ ɛmbia wɔawie na wopɛ sɛ obisa question bi na ɛmfa contract nti wobɛka sɛ wombisa daabi wobɛtumi ebisa Bwf Solicitors wohwehwɛ ɔmo a ɔmo 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters London North 15 na just say postcode near N15 4NP nampacho yɛbɛdi dwumɛ tro na ma we fatu mami no ma we hia me tro to mami kra ansana ya starti agro no eye Bwf Solicitors omo main number ofra wonsa beka obia lawyers ni nyina opese oni omo kasa eye 0208 493 7340 mesan esisu biom 0208 493 7340 watro ato hodia nyame nhyira medasi yo ye beko ahoma ne so sisia na ye ayama Uncle Francis akwaba na afede ye di dwumedie no ato aso. Good morning Uncle Francis.
Morning Maneti.
Pacho mekasa so te menkapa.
Yes, mete wonka papa me so
me so meto nka kama na de fidie no me producer wa hanti me ho aya me den. Yes. Yo, we dey encourage me ma good morning biom na me chia Bwf Solicitors. Legal team ni nyina me chia obia na no pay ye be ma ho kwan na wa chia tie for na afedie dwumedi na main topic na headlines ayewo for today education no wo dey atudwa na afedie firi ho a ne ato aso mpache wadaroma.
Yo Maneti medasi mesa chia ubio ana medenchia kesi free Bwf Solicitors asio ye ema ye tie for say ye legal award adru so send ye no ne fia de bia e wo GN radio no eboa me ne wo ehu ya setena mu nsem ana say ya setena mu abrabo se na ye de emra beto ho enti ene topic ya ye de betudwa no efa obia ni ho beka jem say mfa ne ho to the extent say at least ukoto ade wo ye consumer no the obeto free no ho no ono so wo ho no de wo say wo kire say bibi teach man de say wo ye ene na sefo nyina internet sa education we ne de beto board say ne be ya ebema ye nuanom obia be hu ne right in terms of say makoto ade ana say manya services bi many anje hu inti ekwan ben na me de befa so lawyer metumi asolve me issue no so Maneti the amidi bedi kind say ye hwemu update bi anhye dam by inti the me pese me ma etie for etini say in terms of update ni say ye na ye hu so efa yi for application course no the entire America say day in day out nyano o share application na ekoso home office omo last statistics omo de buy just last August last month of August no omo say nipa 3.9 EU for na making application omo ni omo busia omo depend and out of 3.9 no omo bomodia to me issue 3.7 inti ufo say eso mu say EU application no eguso koso inti say wonte ana say wonu ebinte say EU application no say by 31st of December na oni kroma no anya hu bibia de becho no ombo modia say obey EU settlement scheme application no be why na ebiom so de me de besa to aso ne say I think say last week and be the point based system ba no inti and also no ye be hwe na se question bi aba ye be pen sem empense mu yo yenko de ne ye topic no de ebe ye be ka ho asem in terms of contract cancellation and a refund due to coronavirus. the idea yeah fasa topic when say coronavirus yi ba no ama amanfo who say omo right no e da so ho ana say eni ho yo ye share say bia nipa bebre ana say ye crofo bebre no beginning of year no normal set up me person me call me holidays ndi me book me flight me book way me ko ha na me ko ha and coronavirus yi ebetisi mu somewhere March inti hono wa wanya wo saati bia we mu wo bisa hu say me right be na me wa sa ade we to me a metumi edi hu juma yo enye sa traveling ayinipe ye be hwe contract at least uni obi assign na coronavirus atsim na nipa na ka say okay because of coronavirus no metumi to aso bi ebiom so ye be hwe ebia contract no eguso a ekoso coronavirus inti because of government guidance and inti no ye breaki sa contract no because government guidance say or lock it down into lockdown or affecting in such a way say obi to me enko adwuma unless if you are essential worker into say o hwe sa ade we nyina na na mpese ye pense mu ne hu say ufa and say o was atibia we mu a ekwa be so na obefa so a obetumi resolve this issue yo manyanti what mean kan
Bachometon kapa.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Me be say ye share say contract base na ebia oni obi esaya na bibi sa coronavirus atoye ne etisima de be na obetimi aye. Yo contract bi wo ha say na city no say oni obi sign contract now was in the course of and I said nipa no execute contract no na coronavirus no etisima eno no afanu mienu ni nyina no aka omo because aka omo a the other party who consumer no ni the other party no aka omo in such a way say ono a why na aju say ko be security contract no but because of the coronavirus no due to maybe government guidance no ema when timi execute contract no into in this case no your friend be say frustration are setting in. Now frustration is setting in and either way fault and I say way fault. The only thing is everything was in place. Now kase nanka omode babe so and away a buy and a government guidance say no may lock it down for the benefit of say a beboa yina. Inti abane sa afanu ni mienu no inti ase betimi aba omuntem ye inti ameka sa ne say the only thing is say obeka chen say okay me nya anye contract no inti refund me yima me misika mituae and now say obeka say okay ye ntwen coronavirus ni twema ni atoa so inti ni nyina ye inti ase ebeba omumienu ntem na sa inti ase na ebeba omuntem no say ebia fanu beka say no me inti ase me diskana ye say me dia ye say ya hono na eya court ebamu no inti ana court ni pese o che say mon settle bibia ansa say inti ase ebeba say inti ase na inti mi ama na afedia mu dia ba be dan okay so last 2 weeks me talking about say pre-action protocol bistano manya what you mean ka
Bachometon kapa pre-action
yeah
protocol.
me say last 2 weeks me ka about pre-action protocol no inti say o share contractor and also wo hobby say mundi can resolve ansa na mu dia de na court inti eba ni say omu try say ombe resolve na say omantimi a resolve a na afei na court ni bebam no inti usa sha whereby say a ongoing contractor and no so no na advice consumer e de be catch on say ebia enye the other party ni fault and ma BBC e baaye Inti wo consumer no ɛno nso no ɛwɔ sɛ wo ne ne ka ntiaseɛ sɛ ebia wa start adwuma no wɔyɛ adwuma no wadu baabi ɛna lockdown aba coronavirus because of that in the lockdown aba inti ɛba ne saa what is the solution towards that ebi ne saying yɛbɛtumi a work it out from time a start contract no ebesi time a break yɛ no na sɛ yɛbɛti sika bi na afiri mu near the rest na ama nipa na ɔka sɛ enye contract no ma na ɛno nso yɛ one solution sɛ ba 90 aseɛ nso ama the other way ni sɛ ɛbɛsa akɔ down court nti bibia no sɛ ya ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ careful in terms of how a yɛbɛtreat yɛ nneɔma sɛ contract no sɛn na ɛsitie ɛyɛ contract no nso no ɛba sɛ wo nea mo draw contract na try sɛ wobɛ ready from A to Z. And I will can there's small print be or so one shiny ye and no na or he debate you so against you. So sign it is a contract bar few any share ne kind lie by lie. So who crown out to me kind of copo be no more no
exactly.
No one church room and son our sign because they do be a yeah na more drafting contract, you know. So per se here in favor, not the BBA Ashema, a friend of clause. Into clause, you know, a business variation clause. A bit me amani to me say, oh, say Oshana a hiasa was a very contract now, obey to me aye. Into say, oh, no, ready where no one shall, not say be awful say, Enko ye mawa, no one true woman so say, yen free ma. A drew one up a source, Sana, a court against you. Into when you know, dear bear was say a fee near Shen ye. Into your young shop whereby a situation, I say, you sign contract, you execute your contract, but medical your payment at the atonomo. Nina, yes, I new man getting kitty to make off a man's chamber. Now lockdown, coronavirus. On that basis, government now lock it down. My contract here and me amaso. Better na metimi aji misika back. And also here in TRCB, I was say when the other party no I agree say okay contract na amaso. And now I say me per se after coronavirus no every year no. Young cost na air contract no me. Tini na ya agreement say agreement na ma. A hono na court no SI ebem. Yo, yeah, share baby and then American say contract in your sign, but because government the guidance be by say a been say one funny say walk or to ticket airline travel say holidays, but government no corona person or cost no. Let's say Spain government the list country no more ufi hoba or more quarantine for you know. Now there are two and him say this is the situation no ba be quarantine. O si where they mean to me nti men kosubium me pese me twa me contract mu. And as em pese me twa men nyen tu kwan ni biom nti me pe refund. It is our refund no and also another situation I was say when airline no e kan ho asem yie and I say the agent no because they do be airlines no for say sika ni ho a na so mo di sika na ya de bi fufura o meka yo say be ma vouchers no so wo ehun sinsan so e ya no are careful say wo pair because ebu ha na deadline was so when timi an use voucher na ewu a eno so sika ahye intini nya ye bibia wo say wo dwene ho na wo decide say may call for voucher and I said may call for my refund no. Into all these things no, and everyone so a contract no so no, yeah not the standard terms you know. So when I feel when you know one shiny year, now we sign without thinking and I say we more being chechu, and I say one TRC year, and also create a problem. Yo yembra ye da asitine mo a ye fa say ye koto enioma and I say you services from obi honomo. Yo, yeah, share a contract ni say no. Who a consumer of the product now? You will be a friend of consumer rights. Into consumer rights, and no, you're free. Say, first, there were so many laws governing consumer rights, in 2015, that was 1st of October 2015, and I'm carrying in our boom, and I'm the Consumer Rights 2015. Nay, been saying, sir, we are Sale of Goods Act now, and they be so the unfair terms in consumer regulations, contract regulations, and a supply of goods, and services, it depending on idea person we have with the producer contract, and a betre. Sir, share say ABR, young funny PC word, say Mako akoto idea free or more. Now, okoto idea any free or more, return policy be or so. Obia edeka ne contract, and I say ne a year one more about beton. Normally, I was say 30 days, over 10 policy, but during the before consumer rights, now a 14 days cooling period, It is all idea no when in Jimwa, and at my tina wokano. Usha na fu say when in Jimwa, wait me a return. We didn't say what that returning policy. But I mean, cause I got idea, say now, over the washa to me, returning. Yeah, indeed, Usha policy now, never. And I said, well, consumer rights 2015, a buyer, aside for us to say, so to idea no one in Jimwa, especially Gusa, who bet me a return it. And before I say, oh, to idea, dear Bentin ever come up more return the policy. Everyone said, producer, Nippano to idea, supplier, and the car said, oh, me goose will and we need to a good. The opposite of the coyano, and we near into Usha, fall within your discretion. And we into so talk now, say, Bia, my talk idea free, sa shopping. Into my toy free or more, no, a chair me the bedroom, fear na me be so, me say, Bia, me the bay, the SMDA, and then M50. Me to media call. Since it's high now, so as a son, a man my own kind say, Ube to me as a son. And a biom so say, oh, pa, a man so my own kind say, and also Ube to me, I catch you, say, mempe. Into a month for a refining music, mammy. But in age now, the product I will come once, no. Yeah, but be with the best share, Consumer Rights Act in 2017, your friend, digital content. And only an online product be a year out to say apps and then I say for no. And no, I'm really straight about that. So, auto online app be now for say who use or phone so and I say wo PC and I say wo tab so now a juma. First, I'm really say I was say the auto free no or share now has obeyed me repair. Into your starting say, make me a repair. So, on to me, I also replacing. And yes, so 50 per say, I be oh, me be so replacing it. There be, say, who he has said, I was said, or repair now. Obey, not what the amount. Say, or yeah, not for say, on to me repair. And no, say straight, obey to me. I replace the amount. Never so say refund never the last resource I know to me a UC. Into I answer electrical gadgets meaning as if for near the idea they try to say let's repair it. If that's the case, to me not a bad normal. That's fine. To me I'll say okay, I'm going to exchange it or replace it for you. Na asem de na asem ko. Inti manyeti usha contract any sa consumer rights near the no coronavirus by now man your mind is so difficult say unyoma biti ho chima se ne be ya obe return amount no e ya asem ebu a obe from phone so ne na se for obe gina so phone so sa obe gina phone so sa ne e bonyum kyerɛw na afa de why ha unhu de wonya unhu we nyina no eba ko hu lawyer na se ofu se ubetumi aya na wato obo na watro na oni omaka yo intimality de me de be to dwa na se me de be education about say as a consumer no all right any bibia you find yourself in terms of contract inti ye to bibia ye nhwe ni ye say ye be sign contract and I say ye be to bibia ni ahwe say return policy ni na se fo nyina sign the ACTA why
yo Uncle Francis lawyer Francis here da say na yen show shops ne nyina na nye ne nyina na obekwa sometimes o ma disclose MBA o return policy MBA obekwa some shops na o mo de aboho say MBA no refund exchange only enu sa na watro de atare se window na no se door na no ansa na obehu were mo no. How does such a no kitwa na sa no affect consumer rights there be uto ade na we ninji ho a you have every right say what the be ko no akọju usika but shop no I say ye na ma for shops you atro say no refund mbia wonso exchange no call ho no adekubde e wo ho nyina mbia wo mpa mu bia nso ye se ye mfa usika ma sa no obetumi ama ye ho enimde kakra
yeah sa no aya normally Obe say ura shop na I was say shop na no or display sa information no say na be ya consumer na oba no be because a bit to your case be wa ha no for parking say oko parking wo baby a omo policy be bo ho no mo policy na omo di abo ho no they expecting you to read it say before answer na wakom. First, no nanka omo the policy ni bought before the barrier, after the barrier. Emma obi ekotwe case bi ba ama omo kotwe hu manso. Emma e free or no omo the policy na ba be she animu ansa na wawrem. Inti say o ye den famna the question a ubisa no say a shopper I was say shop owner no or display ade no in front of the shop. And also obe draw attention to that. Because humiti say because eba ekodue court beka say there be measures na ono no dey to in place oba no beka cho say oh na ade ne bombe do anu a court bet me am hwe na how visible can you see it say asema the shop na na kan ye no kre
na so you blinding so
oh, you're blind. I know see a different issue matter altogether. So, yeah, but rather unfortunately, say, Abenuna and Tiasia, Nam Rani Bema, they will go by it, say, and an American. Either say, over returning policy, no, over returning product, no. Now, and now say, Uber exchange, and now say, oh, refund. In the refund, no, say, Ebia, a moon pair, no. Where we now offer say, but I was saying, who say, returning policy, no, sign a city. Yeah, bomb muna, consumer rights, you know, 14 days and 30 days. Because the entire makers are 14 days now before, say, the Consumer Rights Act 2015, but still, our Omudi Hashem, we say, is part of it. But the Consumer Rights Act in 2015, no, 30 days out of the return policy. Why? It is definitely UK have quite there. Now, on no feel say the shop owner no feel shop, so you saw no any policy. There be Emrao. Emraya Juma. Inti Mrano na say bia inti asia ma oni shop owner intema ya de Emrano betum. Why?
Yo, Uncle Lawyer Francis made us say because me were clear case be yenim say wedding dress toy ne boarding ye na obi be ye wedding e wo ye krom Ghana na oma sika say yenta wedding dress no wa ha and fambre no kire ne size style or penny ade nti no nipa kwa akoto no call shop gown shop ho no oni ona no e kan say nipa kwa akɔhye atare no oni krom ha enti no ye ma ofre no krama omo kasa say ni size say bibia enti no onye bi a size 12 and size 14 I be fit no kire style na ye bibia enti no odi e kan say in case na ye de ko na time bi ko ba ho ana say mbia anko no ana anko amfiti ne se nya ne gi ho a owo ho kwan say odi beba na ona ne de na no pene ye say yo owo ho kwan na mom o say odi basa 14 days ya o ken ya na ekoba ne say na wedding days kakra wo enti omode call ye ne nipa ko twa ticket ne kra 14 days ne pa ho anso twa ticket de atare na akọ ampa ye de atare ne call ye no wedding gown na ne boarding dindin atare na amfiti sister no na wa slim ama chese atare ne oginem enti wedding so ogina atare ne mo no enya ade a ne je ho enti ohwa o kan say ene yensan emfamba o package ne fefefe wantiti label anya ne hwe but pa 14 days na I think say be 3 months and according by shop for ne say omonji wedding gown na ene enji ne china na even cry to kwan akọ across shores enti no Emma de no say any or say girl ne say oba krom ha o de be court because odi candy shop owner no e kasa e no sa no or chance be say oba no de court e be effective amana na.
Yes, but how never your word against on only word now. So because I was say which say odi kan nipa no beto on your behalf now. Odi kan man here aware say enye me na me talk akose. But obi na suma me o man me. Emma na woka wasem say oni nipa ne kasai. Yes. E kire say at least me pese oto we ebre me. Na odi ba odi bre me na ankome a mesa dia bre back. Yes. Emma ne je penye ana me boa.
Penny so this is to say on ye 14 days return no ewo ho.
Yes. Yeah, obetimi anya the remedies under the common law act no. The common law act no. Why? But say bia first obetimi start with the consumer rights act no. Say bia as it goes on and drag no ntiasia. Common law no ebetimi ababe supporting am na win in the case because evidence wo ho no mo che say nipa na otobre no so no so ho so e che say omene wo kasai e na wo ji penie wo shop na no e ji say fine or the court na ofo say she na enkona obetimi ade aba why
yo asem big pa omukre yo it's for legal education na yeguso a ye na lawyer Francis abetrete consumer ensi ho akeke o ade o kire ye ensi ho consumer rights de edorso na ye ne areho ni se dodo na ye nim enti no de bia ye sisi yen de bibiare sisi yen ye ka contract kra ye nim adekode utume landlord between landlord wa rent dan or see say ni say busumi nsia say e bi kra the case abreme ye guso a ye kan o kan so betu emre say afei o ho landlord ne say there be untumi ntu na o say usika na advance na wo menchen wutenemu na sika ne hye no sisi there be you can say metu emre say na say na be ya o de me deposit a me de ma wo no o de be ma me back papa isi ompini ene se ma me na ntenemu anhye sika ne de a onfa ne sika ma no ebia nie ono nso suro oni nkrata papa ne say ohurehura no oya mefre kpoti ama. You see some of these things ye didi and de bia all because ye ninim de kakra ewo sa right nti no tiefo onya onsa kan program ya bomodi ana share na obi nso enhu obi wo ho a bibi wie no bibi kaka no a ohun kwan obefa so concerning two parties concerning wakoto bibi concerning wako rent dan concerning edwuma mu kra some sort of benefit be a one contract mu nso yam fama no omo koye edwuma na omo sign zero contract or yare kra yesi say there are still things there you need to know for you to be able to know say yes me bibi say come here me to me afa kwan we so mumbo modiana mon share ye Bwf Solicitors na ye ne omudi edwume. Uncle Francis ye wo question bi wa ha nanso mbie emfa ye kan say sheda emfa contract ya ye kan meba be kan sisia emfa contract ya ye kan mesra mu na mesa didi dwuma ensesa ye eno a ye sade ba kokra aka ho eye 0203 735 8820 ana se 0203 2800185 bomodia na fresh sia question bi da wakoma so bia question bi how concerning immigration concerning family law concerning litigations need dispute just say concerning Ghanaian law bia wo ho kwan say ubisa. It's not necessarily so say koye contract honsem mesra mo ene moye mi show kakra why yo me first question I wa how say lawyer Francis, my case is the woman I brought here has left me. We got married almost 3 years now, so I can spoil his residence card and marry another person. Me nim say senior mekan what ya say ma me dia me san kan bi mana
ne sai kan bi
o say maybe at this screen o say my case is the woman I brought here has left me. We got married 3 years now, so okay no so can I spoil his residence and card and marry another person? Oh, Mobo. Uncle Francis.
Yeah, sure question or the abbey. Sabio or San, I said, Obama Obano watch, you know. Anyway, it's just by the way. Or share the all cana or EU ni and although one can say EU, but resident card and shows at least EU for normally issue that resident card. Now, Obano didn't warrior issue no resident card. No more worry for 3 years. Although much information I can picture say who Obani biom into obeso who say obetimi aye bibia fa ho say Obani kratana. And a biom so person worry for fraud. There are also way and say we jai a warrior and son of Quaco worry for fraud. On to me and Case who ban into or South worry for fraud. There be that because Home Office will record about say on your banner worry. Inti so South worry for fraud. I was say we jai a warrior and son of Quaco worry for fraud no person worry no. Why?
Yo, inti krachi eno ase obe divorce no na jano no nko why residency card no se na enye yi yo ye wodofo bi wa homa ne so mpacho wona ma eni 2780 wa wolala no ma me 2 minutes why me ba wona ma eni 780 wona edu so ye fra say na akasa
yeah my friend Razak. La Francis, good morning.
Oh, morning Razak, how you saying?
Oh, wako mpacho my question here say me EU ni ena me dependency me sister ba Ghana. But first time no go mo refuse based on say me G tax credit me be visa. Until later no ena me ko hu lawyer na ka say me sa ejuma me ye no fa bi kan. Ena me bi kan. Ena me sa ye so see I almost did not say me prove evidence and just say madam my sister ba I say me prove reasonable doubt say a family member and so they almost need so metimi dia mom. But still I'm refuse to. At this stage, you know, what is the next step, Mayor?
Yo, Razak, the American chair say, oh, shred your working car chairman in Nana. Just make application on the basis, Obeso for be our dependent also ever. Now, idea was application when dependency application. I was say which your mommy relationship and dependency. Until all in a relationship, ultimate train a year. Hello?
Hello, ultimate train a year.
Dependence relationship, no, no, chair said the relationship ben on any
Me, I am a sister, but men are mechanic. My sister knew. I won't demand this, never funny, death certificate and Fambra. And I made the call. And Obama, so my sister, the banner, so men, my main chat. You see, I'm a man. Almost 80 something years on your Honda with my son. Into almost actually say, or non sure, let us say, on to make a member fun into Anna or Troy, and I sign Nina before, but upon all that, and I'm more see.
Me what you uncle already say?
What's it?
Uncle already say.
Uncle already 25.
25.
Oh, 25. Yes. Okay. And on the website, you know, okay, say you won't on here, yeah, and I say, and you may know your baby to find or yeah.
Oh, you may know to find or yeah.
Yo, I am not home office. I was in Shabby and I saw more. I dream be said, say, Bev said on. Yeah, woo now I know any more ya, and I say one yen time I woo now within UK had a bear within 40 days, but Africa, Ghana, a bear within a year. Why? Who say bear set no and yeah, papa. So in these days, you know, yeah, no buy a while, the advice had been mine say I was say we DNA now the count. Because someone did a bear set into. And DNA, you know, and your compulsory from the Home Office point of view, and I say, I'm guidance, just say at least. But ultimately, DNA now, a one case, they are who are the right thing because ultimately, and I did a birth set, would they Nipana or Heno, a actual letter at the count. But I have a problem, it's a birth set here, anyway, almost say. Relationship wise, you know, there be what for year and what change the date, you know, that's why they say we are now society. But we are DNA and the evidence is stronger. Razak, so what you say? Yeah, the way forward, they say, it's a lawyer name, I was a lawyer appeal. Maybe say me who time ben application because out country appeal 28 days to do that. Time ben will make a decision.
Oh, we make a decision in March, but in March, you know, before other no my lockdown. Into one thing last week now occur. Last week not for J.
Last week no you know decision. Oh, our chances so make it appeal. No, appeal no chance time I was have a can't win. Why? Decision no. And yet time I make a decision no. Why? Yeah, until per lawyer now say per lawyer now on your appeal no man no address issues now my raise you refusal letter no. Why?
Mate.
Yeah, because you stand the chance of winning the appeal. Men can say who judge to us.
Why? Lawyer Francis Kai.
And dependency, you know, the way I share dependency, you know, and also can be only no communicate. Oh man, you know, Because all these things na na share say at least o depend also. E bi kra na if you not team o Ghana no. Una warranty amano. So inti I think say it's best say
Oh, at the end AC. La Francis. Oh dear Lord. Yo, Obi so wa humane so na my 2 seconds. La Francis ateko say ram enti ebeba sisi a. Ebeba sisi a na patcho wa landline so wo na edo so. Ye fra o se na o kasa free. Hello. Wa landline so. Wa landline so patcho temenka.
Miami ti wonka.
Yo, patcho wa landline so temenka.
Me too.
Lawyer Francis Aba, obetumi ebisa a question.
Yo, me patcho your friend Nana Kwaku. The question I'm paying say oba awene no I the oba ene eye enkrata I mean o British style. Ena oba no betumi agi universal credit I affect your application because your application is home office that but omunya make a decision here. So oba no kwaje we a betumi affect your application. Nam pese mbusa lawyer but only oba no so aware.
Yo nana kwa oba na mbusa. Oba ne krata be no nukuta.
Okuta indefinite.
Yeah. O hwe yembra no ma se o pese wo gi benefit e wo kroma either obe we EU ni anana busua ana se wa settle wo kroma ana British ni yem famra oba idea o hu ka for dia a wo kan o kan so okuta indefinite emra no man hu kwan se e wo se wo gi benefit why
Okay.
And you mobile assess the sort of benefit or qualify for. Why?
Okay.
Your friend will be eligibility, say be up investor credit, send out Sika and on by assessing on that basis. Why?
Okay, that means it's not going to affect the application.
Same who application, your ban application.
Application, okay. And I'm patcho second yo Martin Medasimo 1 second question. Na me mami akofa ni nana figana aba ma akranenya 6 years oba wedi kanji indefinite ama akrano ama 1 year beto no pese oye red book mano na me bisa se form MN1 na ye be fele ana say ye pese register akrano ano 13 years.
Akolane our 13 years.
Yes.
I obey to me I from MN1. Why?
Oh, okay, yo, me that.
Yes, yeah, that's it, Papa. Pacho, WhatsApp line is so una man end with 5419. Una you do so. Any me what menka? Wow, WhatsApp line is so Pacho what menka?
Mama katayania.
Oh.
Number.
Wow, WhatsApp line is so Pacho what menka?
It's a wonka.
Oh.
Aye.
Okay, yes. In Pacho frozen now, Casef. Raise your voice.
Hello.
Mommy, why? Hello.
Pacho, your friend Abena.
Pacho, you bisa o question, Lawyer Francis City.
Yeah. Me Pacho, I hope me wa question me no bisa Lawyer Francis. Me ba odina so na me explain things wonyem no ni agency for na ye adwuma. Na edu say yesen ko woman maternity leave because of corona or stop adwuma March. They just some common maternity leave now. A council forces say because of only maternity leave, no. A young only maternity leave need to acquire says almost the dynamite old me day. Age, yeah, free match, no. 1 year, Juma, one more match, yeah. I am a conebra, sa I won't be I think gave you a lawyer Francis meeting. I won't be a mammy. And second question is also my British passport ID 30th of August, Mastandi Bibiako. It has submitted, but they say Minty Wunga. And need to know if lawyer Francis explain things, mommy.
Yeah, me ba cho jina so maternity leave now can only agency na ye juma for how long?
From 2016.
What's in Inca?
That's the
From 2016.
From 2016. And almost reason bentin almost your mum person mobile maternity leave now.
Almost say me and weekly ending is not enough. So
now and enough. The only thing is on Babuana wa statutory one. Because on your mum person because what contribute to was say I refer to the government statutory maternity leave no. Why? Aye.
Na me pe, but one say omuka say me qualified ne there, and omuka person me take maternity account, which is say me take maternity allowance. I mean universal credit money.
How? Me what you won't cry to Ben Akuta.
Pacho say me wait.
Hello?
Pacho me wait indefinite.
When you are no. Sir, benefit no any nasi for no a criteria and I say who qualify and and on top of that, who put indefinite into you're entitled to maternity benefit be a person OJ as long as you qualify. Why? And share maternity one agency in person betriana and no say no agency no person betriana. Wait me apply for the government one. Why?
Maternity allowance.
Okay. Because I want contribute to anyway. Or national insurance and tax out here no. So definitely I'm with you. So I knew my way munina. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Well, second question. No. Maybe we are clear now.
May entitled to say many dying because no more a statutory maternity leave.
We done the almost council is almost the amount. Anna.
Yeah, but like Ninya no room.
As I say, the urban because council say our landing is a big choke so on benya accommodation amount. Intiano ma refer to almost sister council say a be wo hon ma omo farmer. Inti enya nkwa na e bi ato sa. Why?
Okay.
Omo refer nipa bebre almost landing na e choked. Yini ni ho. Houses ni rooms ni bi ni ho omo de bema. Inti the we tell you how omo refer to other borough and other council to deal with it. Why?
Actually,
yeah. And also second question is also why a British nationality application. Now almost sending email for IV app no. Why upload it. Now obisa say dabena ebeti omunka. Na me boy.
Yeah.
At the moment, Home Office they are a bit tight, but everything possible to clear the backlogs. The reason being, corona lockdown from March somewhere June. Into backlog no stages. Why? But mami musata men our application.
Me no August. That was in
August. Yeah, definitely about decision. And nationality application crown there. I within 3 months, no many decisions is here. Why?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Abutre mame, why? Nya abutre kakra momo. You, yeah, that's it. Pacho ofu from so ahomane so. Sorry, sir, we didn't so ache. Your friend say now kasa friend.
Hello, Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, maybe some question. I'm a Mrs. Yeah, me Pacho on 8 months and you couldn't mom the boyfriend is British, but I see NHS for not brand bill the own tree and maybe bisa say about Franny papaya British no or you allow so be to that kind of hospital bills nana.
Yo, me Pacho
me Pacho
me Pacho bill no mo de buy no. Me Pacho de buy what? O sister ni di ma na abofra ni di.
Me sister ni di mo.
Yes. Because they say o sister woni nkrata.
Me Pacho why? Pacho why?
Ena abofra ni papa no nware no. So, how na problem ni wo? Just only na fire funa doesn't mean say wa worry no.
Oh, okay.
Yes. It's how na say o hwe ni ye. Because in worry na papa no ebetimi agina edi agina mu. She say me yire ni we a family to me. So, but because on worry no. Mama fa ni say o sister oni nkrata anti. Ana ha no kroma no say wonni nkrata o kroma no ma. Bibia be bia obe aban bibia obe bia no e wo se otuaka. The fan is what oko use NHS.
Okay.
Why?
But trying to wo kra na kra na British so la na to otua.
Oh wa sa fe na mo wa be ya akla because already no now onyim ansa na owo akla no.
Be pa che onyim 8 months.
And I'm see owo we are a different scenario.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. They say Canabane dear, she has to pay.
I was saying,
she has to pay. Why? That's it. That's it. Money so.
Me what was so?
Mama was so. Lawyer Francis or the Oko.
Oh, okay.
Hello, my tea. Good morning. Pacho. Me ware uni ena mbinya me 5 years me da be British na me de kofa memba mi no bai ena sisaka be 1 year or less than 1 year na omo 5 years na so se me koji indefinite momo na mo mene oba no so eja ya ware nti kwambe na efa so a etuli age nkura no omufo indefinite amomo da wase bye bye.
Yo Lord Francis
yenwa person who say the man omo call for indefinite no e kwan be so no betumi say one you ne na jai aware. Yeah, Osha, your friend be retention of right. So Osha, yeah, mranumwa. Bema no are retaining the right on in color. It is what to me stress obey to me ejina. But the problem is that onya oban in your man to me and find support it in color application. But anything. Case law HSA say omahu obani ni oma penya any kwan say omubebusa and I say a create problem it is who use case law to support it obebet me am make application on that basis so another choice is say papa no so British but the problem is hono or you see papa ni use in the British year Sikasem no be wasro compared to you the na original so the akwaji indefinite amankola no.
Okay. All right.
Manya say we okay.
Yeah. What's my test say or answer until yo, when you say good morning, Lawyer Francis, good morning, Manyeti. Or see, please, if you have an interview for first time child application and the interview is not successful, what is the next step? Thank you. Ne question or no?
First child interview. Sir, or David no Kwakopa or an interview about that. I don't know mean clear.
Lawyer Francis, one cannot say, please, if you have an interview for first time child application and the interview is not successful, what is the next step?
And I'm successful. No, we don't know what interview. I'm an successful.
Yes.
Why? Because the only question is, so bet me I'm a more insider. Because I'm successful. No, you name what was the reason. And I never interview no call ye. So our questions, Nina, I was me find answers to that. In case OTA, obey to me answer the question or ababium. Why?
You, Mati. Yenya do for being so ahumane so 3801 Mr. KK, good morning.
Good morning, Manyeti Michione, lawyer.
Morning.
Maybe sir, just a quick question. Maybe say why you pre-settle your EU family member? Why you pre-settle status? Yeah, ma with digital ID no. However, now what I wo EU card no, family member card no. Dada say in woo year, maybe I cover 2 years or 3 years ne woo. As of now, they are not encouraging anyone to exchange it for the current for the immigration rule one, no, because you can still continue enjoying the as a year EU, no, you still continue enjoying your EU rights with that card. The moment you exchange it as at now, then it ceases. Now, my question is, you ever be filming? I think is it 31st or 30th of December or November? I don't escaping kaka. TFE EU now only park on the person or Ghana. Card name we no, but it was issued under the old system, no, the old rule, which is the EU rule, no. Does it mean say, but then you have to then change it to the immigration to apply for a new card under the immigration rule now or EU settlement in the amount, no, and or you can continue using the card just to travel. Would they accept it? Because in who yeah.
Okay, Patricia, a few questions.
Okay, me patrol Timinka.
Okay, what's Lawyer Francis Inga?
Debut. On Malenka Satamiti.
Person bisa 1 or 2 questions. I don't want
Ombisa.
Oh, okay. Because all starting where all stated 2 things are me picky free mo. What's in the panel EU ni?
No. Debbie. Me say EU family member, third country national.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Hold on, I'm me clarify. Anyway, back to your question, Say EU family member. Now, Yamano All-Star Regulation 2016, card Nibia. Now, Wababe EU settlement scheme Nibia. Yen share instance as well also. Or EU settlement scheme near man pre-settled. Obenya paper as a email to confirm say a man 5 years. But remember say paper no and also carry weight. It say who can say or Kogana no ba. Obetumi use paper no and a home office or more record database regarding say more EU settlement in asifo nyina. Inti first obetumi use the paper no alongside the card no. And now say the person say your man pre-settled under the EU settlement scheme no. Obetumi I apply say omun changing the biometric card no. into EU settlement scheme rather than the resident card. Into these are the alternatives are obey to me edia kokwan to kwan aba. Bibia enti chima. Why?
Yeah, but lawyer, my question, my clarification is yeah, I understand all that, but my clarification is as at now, no, even the Home Office themselves are not encouraging people with the old EU card, no, no, to apply for the pre-settle card, no, because you then lose your EU rights. You not enjoy the EU rights as we're still in the EU. But my question on says, if EU numa either the 30th, is it the 30th or 31st of December or November? I don't know. If you now, then after that, if you let's say January or February, if you want to travel to Ghana, now what digital ID no, and now what your old style EU card no. Will you be able to travel with it? Or then you have to apply for the EU settlement when the amount no card, which will come under the immigration rule.
Okay. It seems like it wasn't quite clear to you. On the basis said once you email near the amount no yesterday say you pre-settled. It is our pre-settled no, you have 5 years no, and our expiring date was so. It is a would and no now even ukuta card in the crown old star card now. Now the email ne come and no passport definitely after 31st of December no. Would it took I'll bet media took because at that day no, why a pre-settled EU settlement scheme nibi? Why?
Oh, okay. Okay. But said the card will not be valid. So you just have to use your passport and then the email, the digital one now between the two coin.
Yes. But I am now class a card no almost your money and answer almost sanma because me be tembia. Oh
no. Almost can't someone who apply now on the But what I'm saying is that they are not encouraging people to do it. Yes, that was my statement. They're not encouraging people to do it.
Why?
For the reason given, say, as at now, you lose your EU rights because we've then shifted fully under the immigration rule.
Because they are rather encouraging EU nationals, family members, dependency, those who depend on EU to apply for EU settlement scheme. So
I'm talking about the card. So why you have your 5-year card under the old system. They're encouraging people say the settlement scheme. Oh yeah, they'll give you a digital ID. Yes. But they are not encouraging them to exchange it for another 5-year card under the immigration rule. Because should you do that, you lose your rights under the EU. Your EU rights.
Okay, what can say you say Uber? They are not say EU right now. How do I mean? Want to say a bit because the same EU regulation 2016, and now are transposing immigration rules up in this EU. So because free money.
I understand what you are saying, but we know I am not making. If my YouTube kaya, me Uncle Ben, me read a letter, Madam for me receive we switch and they stated categorically as such. If you remember, I don't know.
Yeah, that's fine. But who's the Home Office there? And yet, sir, Tembia, they want something good for us. In Tembia, that's the reason why they keep bringing the new laws and changing the laws, changing the immigration rules at any time. In Bibiano, they would never encourage you to become part and I say Uber apply. Or at least you want to be in this country, you have to sort all these things out. Why, okay?
Right. It's not BB saying yes, sort some more advice, no.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, that's it.
Yo, we need bakum botwa mienu nhwe to abakum o. Ubeji we no lose we and now be lose we no afa we. Nti ene.
Na be me who say ye film no. I say afide ukoye sa card na uko Ghana na bana the digital way plus Ghanaian way kwachire immigration for Ghana omakache say they won't accept it. I said no waka. Yeah.
Okay. Yo, Obinso nyina mane so kafra na lawyer keke dieja. I say lawyers me no omodi omotik kan bom. Pacho your friend say na okasa free. Wa mane so your friend say na okasa free. Em say when to me engine so yem for hello kola pacho lower radio no ma me kakra why na Wabudi na chese wa can be free na yem koso. It's okay.
Mame go to the point. Now the guy can against it. Your kind me entiase. Se bibinia na so unya definition also call almost right. Because you can who try to confuse people on the level. Say almost who can something different. I mean, until they say, go to them. So only at the back area. Then you now call Masure, maybe on or much room. Because say home office is not encouraging people. I might say, you see, I say.
Yo, Bacha, yeah, Bacha, oh, dear, Miss Hassan, the uncle, we are quaint.
Some Oma lawyers, no, and Uncle Ben, no name, in Francis Mono case, no, I is so difficult. Because I only came out Casa for the last time. I don't think I would solution, and that's it. Oh, my back, MAS, and my own. Mr. Ramo, so one thing, go back to the lawyers, no. And Ben nominate Francis no Richard nominate use no. They are qualified. Call them we. Therefore, we might try to just confuse people for nothing. Please. Why?
Papa, yeah, say for your consent. Oh, baby, some question be ana. Oh, to but we know you let's see. Yamin should not pass France.
I from go coffee.
Coffee, you. Yamin sure you that's it. Why?
That's you.
Okay. Lawyer Francis, to the biana. Yenyanisa. Yeah, messages bebre wa ha main kind be. I say good morning to you all and thanks for your assistance to the Ghanaian community. The question is on behalf of a friend with indefinite leave who sent in application for her husband to join her just before the lockdown. The passport was sent back to her husband in Ghana after 5 months without anything in the passport, neither any statement whatsoever. When I inquired from the Home Office, they responded that an email was sent to her regarding the decision about 2 weeks ago before the passport was sent or was ready for collection. But neither the application nor the sponsor has received any email containing the decision on check their inbox, spam and trash. Any advice on what they should do to get a copy of the decision from the Home Office? Thank you. Papa Kinsley. In a way, bye. Lawyer Francis.
Yo, Papa Kinsley, yes. You bet me an advice about the issue, no? Yeah, Home Office make a decision now in Sanka. All right, here will request for it. Bet me I request for it by making a complaint to them. Say, almost almost send the decision, no. Still on in Sanka. We're checking the spam, the email. I was still on in Sanka until I'm running a copy. Why? So I'm here and also more and I say among Fina. Definitely a free be pre-action protocol and also bet me and only within 14 days no. Or bet your monka. Why?
Okay. Did it so bet. Yentie ye mammy way so.
Hello, good morning, man. Yeti. Good morning, Uncle Francis. I mean, I'm going to do my way. Me pacho me kasa free Leicester from me amma me person me bisa question about me bi me pacho me person me kofa me sister ma we free Ghana but my application no na application beko November mpachon krata na eso de kono metimi send no email ama mama print and say was me me post no original let come on the first question no ana me settle status ama me nana baako na omachro we yinu say man indefinite now because men so no indefinite omachro say in so ni biometric card yeah by 10 or 15 days be send bi but me ntie 15 days na twam nti kwa ben me mfa so me da nyame nchira m bebre
okay abo ami aka ho Olaya Francis
or the army na so amen yeah I heard the first question or say a person who say application na wa yama the system mano or mo Ghana no the documents no on scan ya na say on fan koma omo yeah make us say mu bia ye because at least yeah share time on be booking for appointment in Ghana that time who say we say who send the koma omo a time be ne be do omo e was say we ni nyina and I feel say who scan ya a day ni say omo say be kan obetimi apiki scanning and I say ube posti akoma omo why yo the other one is so see ne wire settlement ama ne ba and BRP decision aba paper one aba aka card no na card no and MI and omo ka say 10 to 15 working days wa twa ani mu a mother yo o hwema sa letter na ba ye na omo di make decision no omo tro bibi wo mu say ubi RP no emaya contact yen and I say report it inti say or share ni mu na emaya omo website wo honma obetimi asend omo and I say wa report it say ni nana no ne bano BRP emai ebiom so omo sa wa address a obetimi atro omo why inti say email and answer address no obetimi ayusu emu baako na or their contact omo be get it back to or no as soon as possible why
Francis yedasi obeti makatre no ya wodofo bi nso ahoma no so hello kolampa cho kafra se we gina so ache na o free ne fra osen
hello pacho me free London me pacho bese nimbisa lawyer lawyer some kakra
pacho yo koso
okay me pacho bese nimbisa lawyer se mini mikunu ye uni from na ye be worry ya worry wo fia bibi na me visa application no it is the first one ye the passport libya call home office na say we straight one is scanning they call na mama a price settle me binana that's my question.
Okay Francis
I met yeah mommy and finding go through process and procedure about EU settlement scheme application.
Okay.
Omo website ube follow instructions na wa fill the necessary questions on be busam. Enti omo busam at the tail end it will show you say what are we EU family member no. I was say we try relationship. Into relationship no ema wo kwan ema wo upload mo marriage certificate no. Into hono I was say we upload o scan na we upload o marriage certificate no. Now the other one a residence requirement no. And also I was say ebebusa say o residence e wo kroma no. No, I was able to share BB said the last 6 months, BB I will demo as a proof of address. And also best scan it now upload it. ACA document, ACA application. Into we are signing your mouth when you are now being out submit here. I bet you say and over another site be a or say ko bookie for biometric enrollment.
Okay.
Yeah. Into instructions on stage by stage. And the ebusa be no provide.
Okay.
It is our system no omaye no omo in such a way say it will ease paperwork and that kind of thing. So na be on betimi make a decision them. And you follow that instructions now, they be require or bet you say upload this, upload that, and as time goes on, who follow I do be now I could do home office in some. Why?
Okay. Actually, Muna almost email me be a price settle na actually no more the card number because the card in me the first time to me now.
Yes. So I will make it first day now after we submit the application now we book it for biometrics now. We go enroll biometrics now. That very day or the next day, no, bro will be a friend of certificate of application or COA. Chair say, share on your manu yensa account documents, no. Yeah, share and be able make a decision. Inti say nyame I don't know make a decision. Now would your brow pray settled. And as a limited leave to remain. First, decision never as email. Now decision no I stated say wo card no biometric resident card no e be follow the next 10 to 15 working days. Into hopefully hono na be train wo card no. Say after 10 to 15 days according to their letter and buyer omo address ni email bi wa say so when some car or card no within 10 to 15 working days either report it or send them an email. And answer over wrong. And answer say card neighbor, and say we didn't what card no so no, or my spelling it wronger. And no so no, over to me. I send you my email, catch up say, me didn't what card no so, and you say into a month son. Why?
Oh, say mame or the atu so dada na obeti ewo radio no so. Okay, Uncle Francis and lawyer Francis ya ka uncle na manaka ya no. Facebook for me chechia obi biara na yenua ba ma ba ko bisa so pe number no Fred amwade number no ato ho ama. Nana Jima Nyame Nshra Frank Agore Nyame Nshra. The number is there for you if you want to call. We've got just about next 4 minutes to go. And chese mambo udi amufan cheme you can say Kenneth Kofi Ofori-Boateng Kofi Antubam yeda asise also on board na OBC good morning dependent application form British child and one or can say a question say a statement to I don't know. And you know, Lion Francis, Minister also. And Anna Kwame say, please kindly send an appeal to Home Office if the 28 days has expired more than 2 months. And say, Tama yeka yenwe no. Yen share yen follow up question back one. Ye can say question now ubisa ye no. Yen tias ye say or see if your first interview was not successful, no, what is next now? Wasa Traba say, see, I am British citizen and I apply for my British passport for my son who is in Ghana. And I did an interview. They asked me a lot of questions about my first application when I was coming to UK, and I have forgot a lot of this in the application. And TM say, and no thing I hear refuse lawyer Francis Bacho Sanwa.
Yeah, me tina say I feel na many question clear. Yeah. Say we are British ni na or person or apply mauba. Because one thing adia ba kwa a can or more requirement and say you bet me have frail at any time for interview. I think say way it been a tool yenye or ya money bano. A ban is first, sir, often say when you're comfortable with the interview now, over to me, I'm a postpone. And now say often says like information I want to enough. If Fred say obey access data request. Or record be home office ekute bia no. Oh yes, access data request now. Omude be brown. Now was steady and sana we booking for that interview no. Enti any idea then I say no see can it seems say okoye no information na waka no. O say the rare fee when timi amfa information busa ni nyina ama no. Eno nti na omude refuse no. Fine. Encourage obetimi aye bibi a friend reconsideration under British Nationality Act so we apply but before then this time boy because so we need some information now definitely on best out to amount to the best thing is before say obeko and answer we on bedin kita no yes our subject access request every home office now amomfa with data information be kuta bia wo de be real mo ni nasifo nya no omo famre next day ade na ansana why there say we why
meaning so to me requesting this and I just say me over 25 years me first interview the back room ha no mo bi se me nsema me beka me de akai
best say obe mu lawyer no guide no because omo no mo keep record man kan na me boa inti sa una sabi won keep record no ebe say wo be busa sa information no every omo no na wa be steady and standard dey say on dey no wo dey aye
no cry ba ko pe o twu mutaya se o ko twa ntro de awre be fi ma se no cry dia na ye no cry yo la Francis obi afra na nso yemre aso agro ne so no na a24 ka kwemu nti no we de mesra we na de nkrakra na wo be jaya ansa na we are just under 30 seconds ye dey free ha akọ
yo and na de me de beja etiefo ni say you know yeda so our transition period numu send that time bia ya America no say I was say we you near all taking these 2 days into consideration and I America no man tell another me test you okay date na ya America no yo the 2 dates now I was say we can the 2-3 minutes
30th December
deadline, no?
11 p.m. 30th December 2020 11 p.m. Any 31st sorry. I said my mom 1 day grace.
December yeah Inti o pese and I say o ha no ma we you ni na pese o make application once o ha no over up to June 2021. But when you be Rema, I was saying Rema before 31st December 2020, 11 p.m. Because one share sign your mouth now person in UK a share uba from 1st of January 2021. UK abai ede nyoma fufuro bi ba your friend point-based system. And I can be count last week, in this case, say who person dia you're careful because the way almost immigration all the time. Immigration brano. As a certain bia. Into say why you say at least who person tina kromano and I say why you say person about UK we are you near I was out to anamon. Why? Now you share a point-based system now a day by now. And we are fine, Emma Indianum. And and I say a free third world country now. See you making use of it. Now you taking advantage a bit to me a day I can't also. Why? But don't forget say Saturday you go so your program now. Until 4 to 6 BWF your TV no a better life. Why? Manya, yeah, that's so and then so we go through the program. Yeah, chia phone na yeah strain I miss Obeka omo na dani da nyina no yesia e de akyerɛkyerɛ ye mra mu asɛm we de makra mu me de nkyia kɛse free BWF ase emam bye bye
Lawyer Francis yenso ye da ase for me da mo nyina simpatwo mo amofrɛ mo fa nkyeme mentumi emfa call no bio memre aso o se me sorry call ya kyɛ me 2 minutes kra de account na ne etie ne se Saturday we are be wa went to me anya wo answer na went to me amfra na wo fra man fa call no Saturday 4 to 6 p.m. Saturday we are 4 to 6 p.m. Tune in to Bwf Solicitors for website no obehu on Facebook live Uncle Ben. All the lawyers will be there to answer your question. Yo, it's here for Madam Ase. Oh, you share Bwf Solicitors for each choir. Omo was 7 sisters. 214 to 218 High Road, London N154 MP. Nyamenshra obibia ye frame manye na te. Madam Ase. Nyamenshra mo. Madam Ase. Oh, you share Bwf.
Family breakdown and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law.